What is going on, Angelo family? So today I decided to actually place an order for the Cybertruck non-foundation series. If you guys saw all my previous videos, I actually did get the Cybertruck non-foundation series to like the test drive, right? So more or less it was a set foundation series, but they just said it's the same thing. Just imagine there's no badge. Wheels are a little bit smaller and the battery's a little smaller, but it's honestly the same thing. So I decided to place the order. It cost me $250 to place the order, which is kind of expensive. I remember back in the day, it only used to be $100 when you placed the order, but now Tesla had raised the price up to $250. So I was like, you know what, whatever. Fun fact though, if you use my link down below for my Tesla link, you get $1,000 off your car with the Model S, 3, X, or Y, and now the Cybertruck is also involved in that too. So you get $1,000 off that order. So look at that link down below if you guys want to use that. Also, fun fact is that Tesla now lets you transfer your full self-driving over to a brand new car if you purchase a new car from Tesla. I don't have full self-driving for any of my cars, and essentially I don't get to transfer that over to a new car because I don't have full self-driving, but it's now $99 a month, which is pretty solid. So I suggest you get the full self-driving. If you're ever going on a long road trip, then you get the full self-driving. So that's the one cool thing about that software. It used to be super expensive. I think it was $10,000. Now you're at $99, which is pretty cool. So look at that if you're looking to transfer. But I did place the order for the Tesla Cybertruck non-foundation series, and you guys are probably wondering how much does it cost out the door. Tesla has yet to build out the calculator for that car because it's super brand new and not a lot of people have placed the orders yet. I placed the order probably last Friday, so it's been 6 days now since I placed the order. Haven't heard back yet, still haven't RN, but no VIN number yet. So let me show you guys actually what you get with that order. So I'm opening up my Tesla app now and I'm going to show you how much it costs. So fun fact, if you ever purchase your Tesla via the website, you will get it faster if you select cash as your option to buy the car. If you select financing, you will take longer. And the fun fact with cash is you get your car faster and then you can just basically switch it over to financing after you select that option within your car. So go in the Tesla app, change from cash to financing, and then you still get the faster VIN and you get the option to finance your car. So let's do this, right? Okay, guys. So for anyone who's curious, Tesla.com, if you go on Tesla.com, you can actually see your car, the non-foundation series right now. And if you go on the website, I'm going to show you guys right now, you will see that you get a car. So I'm on the Cybertruck right now, press order now. As I go to order now, voila, you will see that. And if you guys see the car right now, it says $74,990 with the 5-year savings, but without that, you're at $79,990 for the car itself, which is pretty solid, right? It's kind of expensive. $79,990, pretty expensive, right? If you go on financing, it just shows you that you're at $1,269 a month, and that doesn't have all the wacky, crazy fees included. If you guys can see, it is pretty expensive. So what I'm going to do for you guys is that I am going to go actually into the Tesla app, and I'm going to show you how much it costs. So essentially, if you go into the loan calculator, you will start to see how much it actually costs. So here, I'm in the Tesla Cybertruck app right now, and I'm going to show you. You're going to press start. Kind of freaked out for me there. Give me a second, friends. The app kind of crashed. So here you go. If you pay with cash, there you go. Press view. This is how much it's going to cost you. Okay. Cybertruck is $79,990 to actually purchase the car, and then you get a $2,000 destination fee. I'm just gonna screenshot this for you guys. So it's $79,990 for the car, a destination fee of $99 of about $2,000, $250 order fee. So and then you have a credit of $1,000. So the car price total is $81,235. That's just for the Cybertruck itself. And then you have non-Tesla fees, which are your registration, your tire fee, your electronic registration, tire filing fee, license fee, sales tax. So a registration fee of about $607, a tire fee of $7, an electronic registration fee of $33, a license fee of $529, and a sales tax of $6,295.91. Bring your overall total for your car to be $88,706.71, which is pretty crazy, and it's actually pretty expensive to order this car, right? So I think Elon promised it was gonna be 60 grand back when you had to place the orders. Now we're looking at about almost $90,000. So imagine if you got the Foundation series, you're probably paying $110, $120 for everything out the door, which is crazy. So yeah, overall you're looking at $88,000 for the car, which is insane. $88,456 if you subtract the order fee. So that's how much it is actually cost for the cash amount of the car. But now I'm going to change this over from cash just to financing. So I'm creating change. I'm going to take out a loan for the car. And usually they recommend that you down about at least the tax, so 10% of the car, so around $8,000. And we're just going to assume that we're going to just down payment the car. So I'm going to start the loan right now. It's good for 30 to 60 days for the car itself when you get actually approved for financing. And then, okay, so Tesla automatically puts about 10%, which is about 9%, which is your taxes, fees, and order payments for your car. So they usually recommend. And if you have excellent credit, you're looking at about 72 months, a credit interest rate of 5.29% APR. And for that, you're looking at a monthly payment of $1,322. $1,322.11. That's for 72 months of actually doing a loan with this car, right? If you go lower at 36 months, you'll still see that you're at 5.29%, so it doesn't change. They don't have like those special interest rates that Tesla usually has for like their Model 3 and Y. You still have that 5.29%, and this is with excellent credit score of 720 plus. You are at a monthly payment of $2,450.60. If you're at 48 months, excellent credit score, you're still at the 5.29% APR, and you're at $1,885.57. 60 months, you're at $1,547.18. So you're still at 5.29%. You don't have those cool, basically promotional fees or promotional APR. At 72 months, you're at 5.29%. And you're at $1,300, like we said before. And then 84 months, you do bump up your interest rate from 5.29 to 6.29, and you're at $1,201.15, which is pretty expensive still. This is all assuming that your down payment is the tax, fees, and order payment that you're looking to do. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It's really interesting. For me, if I were to do this, the only thing that you get for you if you're a business owner is that one, I think if you work with an account, you can work with the Tesla to be as some sort of write-off for your business. For us, we have like a business for the YouTube as well as some like consulting stuff, and then that's a $7,500 rebate you get for your business, as well as I think the car is over a certain heavy amount of weight, so you can use it as a write-off for your business as well for having the car. So that's one interesting thing about the Cybertruck. I actually have a friend who wraps a lot of my cars, and he tells me most people buying the Cybertruck are using it for business purposes, so they're writing off the car with their accountant. He hasn't seen many people who have actually just a normal 9-to-5 job and W-2 income, and they're using it for just their daily driver. So that is one thing to keep in mind. So for me, what I would want to do is that I will probably, if I were to pursue with the car, I think Tesla offered about $40,000 for the Model S 2021 or 2022 refresh to purchase the car. The car's already paid off. So if we put $40,000 for this, and I'm probably gonna go with the 72 months, because I don't want that 6.29. For me, it'd be $788.64 to actually have the car or the Cybertruck, monthly payment. So if I'm paying $788 a month for that, and then on top of that, I'm probably gonna have to pay insurance. That'd be $200 a month, so almost $1,000 a month to drive the Cybertruck. And I do know for a fact the Cybertruck is fun, it's cool looking, but it's going to drop a ton in value, especially once start getting used. Because every Tesla I've ever had, I've seen that too, is just drop a ton in value. I think my first ever like Tesla, I was driving the rear wheel drive. That was almost like 40 grand. Now it's only $16,000 because there's so many. And then the Performance Model 3 2021, that was I bought that for $56,490, so almost $62,000 after tax. I see it now on Carfax used for about $22,000, so they drop a ton in value. So Teslas drop a ton in value. Like, and if you were gonna get like a new Tesla, yes, you take advantage of those APR, where you get that 0% APR as well as that $7,500 rebate. Those are good. And $1,000, my link below, referral link, so that's almost $8,500 off. And then you get the 0% APR. Take advantage of that if you guys are looking for a new Tesla. But if you're just like, you want to use your Tesla as your daily driver, you just don't really care if you have the newest, latest and greatest, then just buy a used one without all the crazy fees and destination fees you're going to get with getting that car. So take a look at that below. Look at Carfax. Look for 2018, 2019, 2020. Those are super cheap. They're mostly depreciated because there's so many of them, and you get a great car that's under battery warranty. So take a look at those below. But essentially, if you're going to get a Tesla non-foundation series, just paying the $8,000 deposit, because that's all the taxes and fees, you're looking at about $1,200 to $1,300 a month. If you have excellent credit to drive the Tesla Cybertruck. So my question for you, comment down below, would you buy the Tesla Cybertruck and pay the $1,300 fee every month for your financing for your loan? Or would you just wait till it gets used 3, 4, 5 years later, when the Cybertruck is probably going to be around $50,000-$60,000 and you won't have as much of a crazy kind of fee to pay with that. So let me know what you guys would do down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you, Jello family. Would you pay $1,500, $1,300, $1,200 for the Cybertruck non-foundation series? Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.